Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the lower function in Excel. So this lower function is categorized under Excel text functions, and this function will return the lowercase version of the text string that you will be giving in the formula. So it was introduced back in Excel 2000 version if I'm not wrong, and it's available in all of the subsequent Excel versions. So you might think that where this lower function might be useful to you, right? So it is mostly useful in arranging data or creating data in a certain format. So for example, if you have usernames within an organization and you want to create email addresses, then you can use the names with the concatenate function, something like this, as you have name, and then you have to create an email, right? So suppose the name is something like this, right? And you have to create the email address. Within the email address there should be @gmail.com, right? Okay, so what you can do basically is that you can convert these names in the smaller case or the lower case, and then you can add these names with this @gmail.com to get the email address which you want to create for the list of employees within your organization. So it's something like this, equal to lower, and then you will put the argument. So the lower asks only for one argument, so for us it's in I5, which is the name, and then you put ampersand sign and then this cell. So you have your name @gmail.com. So let's go back to our example which we have here, and in our example we have to get the customer address in lowercase. So you can see here that all of these delivery addresses are in uppercase, right? And we have to get our address in lowercase. So how we can do that? We can simply use this lower function, and what this lower function will do is that it will return the lowercase version of all the character within the string. So we'll put equal to lower and then the argument which is asking the text in the argument which it is asking, and then we'll close the bracket. So you can see here is that the entire character within this address has been changed to the lowercase version, and if I drag this formula it will work for everything. So initially we had our delivery address in uppercase or in capital, but after using this lower function we can get our address in the lowercase version. So this is how basically you use the lower function in Excel. Hey, if you find this video insightful, then do check out other videos and hit the like and subscribe button.